Corvette. Hop in a motherfucking jet like jet. Him in that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Ofon, aka Ofonski, aka Nigeria's finest. Welcome back to my channel. This is POV Garage with Ofon. Today, we got the new 2021 C8 Corvette. This thing has 6.2 liters V8. Goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. This thing puts out about 495 horsepower. Ridiculous. I don't know what color this is. I think it's like the Miami blue. But this thing is fire, y'all. Check out all the details. The most aggressive front end right now in a sports car. It's ridiculous. No carbon fiber options though. If it was mine, I would put, by the way, I want to shout out this video to my boy Robbie for hooking me up with this whip. You all need to check out his page. I'm going to put it down in the description. Thank you, Robbie, I appreciate it. And I got my boy Cam behind the camera as usual. He's going to check out the drift here in a second. So yeah, guys, this is the second American mid-engine car. The first one is the Ford GT, but this Corvette is stepping up the game. This is definitely fire. I would definitely add this to my collection. Good everyday car. It's a nice cruiser, and it gets aggressive when you want it to. It definitely doesn't feel fast though, compared to like the McLarens or the Lambos, but it does do its thing. Yeah, so man, this is a really nice entry for a car enthusiast. This is a nice entry-level car. Starts at about 110, which is really not bad for everyday sports car. So, you know, if you guys in the market looking for a whip, you know, to impress and turn necks, this is it. All right, guys, yeah, follow me on Instagram. Please like the video, share, subscribe. It helps me, you know, be able to make this a reality one day. So I really appreciate all the support. Let's go. Let's take this thing for a ride. Man, on the track, this thing is fire, bro. The interior, you got the Bose system. See, head turner. Oh my goodness. Oh God, we need this badly. We need this in our lives. Oh man, what am I gonna sell this time, Lord? Oh, look at that. That dawn. That's fire. Got the camera as a side mirror. It's pretty fire. Oh, this is nice. My goodness. Whoa. Jeez, this thing is fast. Golly. Bro! Strap in, kid. Jesus! My God! This thing is fast.
That's crazy. That torque, like
bro.
Like the McLarens are like, you know, they're turboed. It's quick.
Yeah, but it has a lag. This is fast all the way through. It takes off, it goes. Man,
you get to dinner in a hurry.
God.
Would you like actually drive this like every day?
Hell yes. Wow. I would drive this every freaking day. This is daily. I mean, it feels nimble. It's easy to handle. It's comfortable. It's super comfortable. Even though it has like race seats, but it still feels amazing.
Yeah, this is like perfect, like best of both worlds. Comfortable pass,
yeah.
turns heads.
Yeah.
This is like the Ferrari for America.
Yeah. Yes. And then you want to go fast all the time when you're in this thing. Move. Get out the way. I have to put this into a test. Man, it's so comfortable though, and it's different.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, by the way, this is my first time driving a Corvette, guys. This thing is fire. No, it doesn't. Definitely it doesn't want to smoke. Not in track mode. No. Bro, this thing is just fast. Are you scared? God, this thing is fast. Yeah, we need one badly.
Hashtag.
We need one badly. Jeez. What we gonna sell, man?
Sell everything.
We gotta sell everything, bro. Let's sell the house this time. Bro, this thing is fire. Damn. This thing is fast. My goodness. Bro. Use them. Oh my God!
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's dope. What is that? Like a?
Oh, your bumpers. See, I hit anything.
Oh wow!
I don't know how it does that.
I know.
Like, how does it have a camera
yeah.
like that? Gone in 60 seconds, bro.
Oh yeah.
Right there. Stunt man.
Yo, you know when I hit that orange, bro, the car's already like, it's so scary to get to the orange. It's like so freaking scary. Yeah. It's like before you get there, it's like the car's already flying.
Yeah. Get a couple downshifts.
Oh, there we go.
Oh man. Yeah, I think with an exhaust, this thing will be beastly.
Oh my goodness. Put an exhaust on this thing would be ridiculous.
Oh man.
Bro. This thing is fast. Like the car doesn't even catch up to the speedometer. That's how fast it is. How does that make sense? Like while it's still accelerating, like before you get, like I said, the orange, the car's already gone. Guys, while we're at the light, let me talk to you about Overdrive watches. The sponsor for today's video, Overdrive watches. Guys, this thing is fire. I promise. We're doing a giveaway. I'm giving this away today, actually. Today's the last day to enter. I'm giving this away, so y'all, you gotta keep watching the channel. You gotta follow my IG page to get these giveaways. I think this is going out to somebody in Africa one day. Yeah, shipping this out tomorrow.
Oh wow. Lost my hat.
Don't lose your hat, bro. I'm telling you.
Let's go. Keep going. All the way. All the way.
Oh! Welcome back, guys. This car was amazing. Definitely gets your heart rate moving, pumping. Check out the GoPro. We started out, it was standing up straight. That was all the way. That's how fast this thing is. And of course, I want to shout out my partners all the way in Qatar, Dubai, for sponsoring the video today. Today's video was brought to you by Overdrive watches, carbon fiber casing. Guys, this thing is completely ridiculous. And we got a winner today. You gotta follow me on Instagram. You gotta keep subscribing to the YouTube channel to catch some giveaways. This watch is gonna be shipping out first thing tomorrow morning to the winner. So congratulations to whoever won the watch. And stay tuned for more heat to come. As I told you guys, I promise 2021 is gonna be ridiculous. We started out with 2 2021 whips. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did and Cam did. Follow me on Instagram, POV Garage with Ofon. Follow me on, continue to subscribe on YouTube, share, like, comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's get it.